children, in this video we are going to solve exercise 3.3 question number 1 on page number 57 of mathematics textbook. Now children, first read the question. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 9, by 10 and by 11. You just have to say yes or no by using divisibility test. Now let's solve these children. First question they have solved for you. Let's see from the second question. Now children, here the number is 990. Now the divisibility test for 2 is that we just have to see the number at the unit place, and if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we will say that the whole number is divisible by 2. So it is 0. So yes, it is divisible. This whole number is divisible by 2. Divisibility test for 3 was what children? If you have to do the sum of all the numbers. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. So this number 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now what was the divisibility test for 4 children? Divisibility test for 4 was that you have to just divide the last two numbers and see whether they are divisible by 4 or not. Now children, here if the last two digits are 90 and if I divide it by 4, I will have here 4 2s are 8 minus 1 10. 4 2s are 8, but the remainder is 2. So it is not completely divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. Now see children, for the divisibility test for 5 was if there is 0 or 5 in the unit place, then the number is divisible by 5. Now children, divisibility for 6 was if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is definitely divisible by 6. Divisibility test for 8 was the last 3 numbers. Now here there are 3 digits, so we will divide this and see whether they are divisible by 8 or not. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And children, if you see here 24 minus 6, so this is not divisible by 8. So I will write here no. Now for divisibility test for 9 was what children? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So here it will be yes. 10, yes. Without seeing only I am telling this. Now divisibility test for this 11 was 990. Now see children, 1, 2, 3. If you add this 1 and 3, you will have here 9. And only 9 is there, and 9 minus 9 will give you 0. So if you have the 0, if you have 0 here, or if you have the multiples of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So here I will write yes. Understood children? Now without much explanation, I will just write here yes or no. Yes, divisible by 2. For 3, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. No. Here 86. Now here I have to divide children. Last two numbers to see whether it is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. No, it is not divisible. So I will write here no. Let me see, 5, no. 6, if it is not divisible by one of these two numbers, then it will not be divisible by 6 also. 8 children, let us see now if the last 3 numbers are divisible by 8, then that number is divisible, this whole number is divisible by 8. Now see children, 586, 5 7s are 56 minus 2, 6, 3s are 24, and there is remainder. So it means that it is not completely divisible. So here I will write no. Now to see it whether it is divisible by 9, 20 the sum of these numbers, so it is not divisible by 9 also. 11, let's see for 11 what is the test. See children, for 11 1 and 3 will be added. 5 plus 6, that will give me 11, and 8 plus 1, that will give me 9, and if you subtract this, you have 2 here, which is neither 0 nor multiple of 11, so this number will also not divisible by that 11. Understood, children? Now let's see this third number question. First, I will write here no directly. Then for divisibility test for 3 was 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. That is again no. With 4 also it will not do. With 5, yes. With 6 it will not do. 7, 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. Let's see what will happen with 11. 275 the number is. The divisibility test for 11 is 1 and third will be added. 2 plus 5, that will give me 7. And this here is 7, that will give me 7. Minus 7, that will give me 0. If it is 0, then it is divisible by 11. Here I will write yes. Now see children, this question I will see. Here I have 6, so yes, it is divisible. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. No, this is not divisible by 3. Let's see whether it is divisible by 4. No, it is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 6. Now let's see whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Now children, to see whether this number is divisible by 8 or not, we have to divide this last 3 digit by 8. 6, 8, 6 is 686 divided by 8. No, it is not divisible by 8. Then 9, no. 10, no. Let's see whether it is divisible by 11 or not. See children, 6, 6, 8, 6. You will do the addition of these two numbers, 6 plus 6, that will give you 12. And here you will add these two numbers, that will give 14. And if you subtract, find the difference, it will be 2. So this number is not divisible by 11 also. Now let's solve this bigger number, children. Let's see by which number this number is divisible. Fast. Yeah. Yes. Now see. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 20, 21 and 22. See children, let's add again the sum of these. Let's see the sum of these number again. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 19, 20, 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. With 4, no, it is not divisible. With 5, yes, it is divisible. Yes, it is divisible by 6. 8. Let's see children whether it is divisible by 8. For 8, what is the divisibility test? We have to divide 210 by 8. Now children, if you divide this 210 by 8, you will have 2s are 16 minus 550. 6 are 48. Again 2 is the remainder. So this is not completely divisible. So here I will write no. Now children, let's see. Here the sum was 21. So it will not be divisible by 9 also. Yes, it is divisible by 10 because 0 is there in the unit place. Now children, let's see whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Now children, we will do the addition of these three numbers. Okay, that will give me 5. Now see children, here we have added 0, 2, 3. The numbers at the odd places. Now here in the next session we are going to add 1 plus 9 plus 6, that will give me 16. And if you find the difference of these two numbers, you will find that children, it is 11. So 11 is the multiple of 11. So it is divisible by 11. So here I will write yes. And hope children you have understood this, why I have solved these much questions children. So to make you understand this is the very important concept of mathematics. Okay children, the rest questions that are remaining in this table, that are these 4 questions, you are going to solve it on your own children. Okay. Along with this, you are going to take as a homework question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Solve these all questions as a homework, children. Okay, the same way you have to follow here in this question, but the way to write that I will show you in the next video.